Hello there! Today we will be making a crocodile. So let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we see 4 steps right here. Let's take our pencil and start making the first step. Yes, at first we will be going ahead by making a very rough sketch. So let's start by making its face. After that, let's start by making these curved lines. Go ahead by making the face slowly and nicely. And then make the eyes. After that, we will make these curves for the legs and then start making a fair figure. Go very slow while making it and make its teeth now. Yes, they seem to be very sharp. Let's erase the unwanted lines now. The next thing we do is start making this a little more darker. Let's erase this top part and then start by making these zigzag lines or these curves right here. It is a reptile and hence the crocodile skin is really rough. And yes, it is thick as well. Complete making its tail. Did you know what is a crocodile actually called? Yes, it is an amphibian. Now we will start sketching the entire drawing. Let's take our black sketch pen and start sketching it. Go ahead and sketch this very slowly. We will go right on top of the pencil marks and complete the entire sketching. Sketch all of these things intricately and make sure that you do not make a mistake. This looks lovely. Let's complete this entire thing in a similar way. This looks very interesting. Once we are done with the entire sketching, let's erase all the pencil marks. After erasing all the pencil marks, let's start by coloring this. At first, we are going to take a light olive green color and do it right here. Yes, let's do all the light parts at first. And then start by doing the darker green. Well, yes, the darker green looks something like an olive green. So, let's go ahead by coloring it with that. Make sure you do not color its teeth. And then start coloring only in one direction. Let's make sure that we do not leave any white spaces in the middle and make sure that you color only in one direction. Also, don't forget to color in compartments. Do not worry if you do not have the same shade. It is alright if you take a shade closest to the one mentioned in the book. Let's go ahead and color this in a similar way. This is beautiful. Our crocodile is ready.